So this is the ongoing saga of Bluebell the Chevy, and I went to start it up about a week ago and couldn't get it to turn over. It was getting fuel, so it turned out to be a spark problem, and I suspect it's the distributor. So I started taking a look at that, took the cap off and looked inside, and you can see that there's been corrosion on the points in there. That will not be good. The contact for the first cylinder was completely broken off. The connector to the ignition coil was all corroded. The ignition coil, I'll call it electrode because I grew up with old radios, but electrode was all corroded. So I went ahead and ordered a new distributor, and I am in the process of replacing it. I'm just figuring out now how to get to the bolt down there, which apparently causes a lot of people problems. I have every single possible tool except some kind of bendy wrench, so I'm figuring that out, and I will probably be going on this thing into the late dark hours, so I'll be setting up a light soon. So you can see the corrosion. And I didn't mark the cables because I went ahead and got the Chiltons for this truck years ago, and it has the firing order right there. And I did double check that all the spark plug cables were on that order. See the 2.8 liter engine, 6-cylinder. So I'm pretty sure I'll get her started up and get her home today. She ran for a year without breaking down, which is a new record. It's about an average of every 3 months. And since I replaced the fuel pump last fall, she's ran. But I am pretty sure that the distributor and or ignition coil is the problem. Obviously I have a really bad oil leak too, and I'll be replacing those guys at some point as well. So thank you, YouTube and rural internet connections, for saving my ass, because still haven't found a mechanic worth a damn after 6 years. Bless their hearts.